Hello guys, what I will show you today is how you can connect pages inside of Figma. Okay, so this is gonna actually allow you to put like a hyperlink instead of an image or instead of a text so that it directs you to something else, okay, to some other page. All right, so as you can see here, we have a simple layout. We have page one, which is this simple navigation bar with this 1 year anniversary image. And we have also page two, which is just a message that says happy anniversary, okay? And we want to basically make it so that when we click on this image, it's going to take us to this page here. All right. So what are we going to do? We're going to go to our second page in this case, and we're going to right click and we're going to press on copy link to page. All right. Now, you want to go to the image that you want to have a link in, and which in my case is this anniversary one image, which is here. Okay. This is like the layer. And now you want to go to prototype and you want to add an interaction. And the trigger, in my case, is actually going to be on click. Okay, so that when I click, something happens. And the action is going to be to open a link. So let's actually paste the link here, okay, which is going to be this one here. And we're going to check this open in new tab, usually, okay? Now, let's test it and see if it works. Let's play it here. Okay, now I'm just going to press in this image. And look what's going to happen. There you go. That's it. Thank you so much.